Miss Monica Cooks. I'm Monica Nash. Today we'll be cooking Brazilian cheese bread. It is so delicious. Oh my goodness. It is crunchy on the outside. Inside is this chewy amazingness because it's made out of tapioca starch. It is so good. I'm so excited to share this with you. And shout out to Mamo's garlic sauce because my cheese bread and this garlic sauce is amazing together. Oh my goodness. The garlic sauce is fermented garlic. We found Mamo's at a farmer's market in Bee Cave. I'm preheating the oven to 400 degrees. So right now I'm going to grease my cupcake pan. I like to use butter. You can use cooking spray, that's fine. I'm about to shred some cheese, and I'm going to use my food processor to do so. If you have shredded cheese, then you could bypass this step and use a blender for the next few steps. But I do not have shredded cheese, so I'm going to do it with this attachment. Basically, you just pop on this little arm, and then it fits right here with this little half moon shape. And we have shredded cheese. Oh yes. All I need is half a cup of cheese, but I'm gonna shred some for later. So just keep that in mind when you're shredding. It's just half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to measure half a cup of cheese. Food processor really shreds the cheese so nicely. I'm gonna pack it in there because I do like the cheese flavor in my bread. Put the cheese back in. All right. And then you just dump all of the ingredients in all at once. That's whole milk, 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1.5 cups of tapioca starch, and you cannot substitute tapioca starch or tapioca flour, it's also a name for it, because it gives the Brazilian cheese bread a very unique flavor and texture. So you want to keep this flour as is. And then I have 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to put the lid on. And then I'm going to pulse it until combined. seemed a little bit runny to me, and I am going to mix it in and then we'll see what the texture turns out to be. It's gooey. You can see that right here, that it's pretty thick. So you want to fill the tins up about halfway, and I am using Chinese soup spoons to fill up these. They're like little ladles and it's so perfect. This is definitely an easier recipe. You don't have to heat up the milk and oil. You just food process it to get it to the right consistency. So, the Brazilian cheese bread is ready to go into the oven. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. So here they are, Brazilian cheese bread. They're gluten-free. They are not dairy-free, but man, they are so good. My husband is drooling. Can't wait to try these. Starved him all day long, so. Here we go. Okay. I'll break this open and you can see how chewy the bread looks. Yes? Gonna have my first bite. My favorite part. This is really, really, really good. It is just crisp enough on the outside to have a nice, like, subtle crunch. The inside is chewy, and that comes from the tapioca flour. It really, really is just a unique texture. I hope you enjoyed watching me make Brazilian cheese bread. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, and like. There'll be more to come, and I'm excited to do my next video for you, so see you soon.